Hey everyone, I'm Larry, and welcome to this 3-minute marketing analytics tip. Today I'll show you how to install Google Tag Manager on your website using a free Chrome extension from Adswerve. Super easy, super useful. Let's dive in. First, open Google Chrome and search for Adswerve Tag Assistant extension. You'll find it in the Chrome Web Store. It's called Adswerve vertical bar GTM/GA4 debugger. Go ahead and add that to Chrome. Once it's installed, you'll see the little Adswerve logo in your extensions bar. That's your new best friend for tag debugging. Now let's get GTM installed. Go to tagmanager.google.com and create a new account if you don't already have one. Name your account and container, choose your platform, likely web, and hit create. Accept the terms and conditions. You'll now see your GTM installation code. There are two snippets, one goes in the and the other right after the tag on every page of your site. If you have access to your website's code or use a CMS like WordPress, paste those in accordingly. Or if you work with a developer, just send them those two snippets. Once the code is live on your site, it's time to test it. Open your website. Click the Adswerve extension in Chrome and refresh the page. If GTM is installed correctly, you'll see it listed in the debugger with the container ID like GTM-XXXXXX. From here, you can also debug tags, events, and data layer pushes. But that's a topic for another video. And that's it. Google Tag Manager is live on your website and ready for action. If this helped you, hit like, follow, and stick around for more quick wins in marketing analytics.